to make a nameless Instagram account and make money as quickly as possible, I hired AI to help me. My quest to learn if AI can really get 1 million views and make our first 1,000 online, or if all the hype is just a big scam. First, I'll ask ChatGPT what the most used terms are in 2023. But this is where I found the first problem with using AI. I was lucky to find out that Bard was another AI tool that could give me more up-to-date information. I thought it would be best to ask Bard what the most popular search terms have been on the web in the past 6 months. I quickly saw a theme running through this. Since AI was very popular at the time, I asked Namelix, an AI tool, to come up with some names for material that used AI. In the end, I chose the name AI Content Creator because it was right for the job. I was ready to start posting now that my AI account was set up. I had to make it a point to write and post material every day. I then went back to ChatGPT and asked it for 100 Instagram Reels scripts that would go popular in less than 30 seconds. It was more of what I was looking for. It gave me a good list of stories that I was excited to read next. I had to figure out how to get AI to write the text for me. I'm not going to explain this process again though. One of my AI creations will do it in less than a minute. Pay attention. Let me show you how to make something. It will only take you 2 minutes, 3 tools, and no money. To use this prompt, go to Leonardo AI and choose an 8K 3D dynamic dark gray background with a classy English butler wearing a business suit. You can also find my step-by-step guide on how to start a successful and popular account on my website. Now sign up for an account at 11 Labs. Select a British voice type from the speech synthesis menu. You can write anything you want, like this story. Get the sound file and go to Studio Did. When you click on Create Video, add my character picture we made in Step 1. Now add the sound from Step 2. You've now made another good-looking devil. That's how it works, so feel free to play that back and use it. All of the videos on my account were made by me. Some of them went crazy global and got over 20 million plays. That's another reason why AI might not be real, but now things start to get tricky. At first, I had no idea how we were going to make money off of this. At that point, I went back to AI and asked it for help. This is where things get interesting. It told me to start an AI magazine as one of its suggestions. I found the HubSpot AI Campaign Assistant, which is a great way to set this up for free. The first thing we need to do is make a landing page after you hit Get Started and set up your account, so people can sign up for our daily newsletter. Based on what it learns, the AI will offer things for your landing page. You give them, and when you click Publish, it will take you to a page with a template that was made just for getting people to sign up for an email. The only thing left to do is add our own logo and the text we want on the page. Everything can be changed, including the background color and font size. If you want this to really feel like your business, I'll just say, subscribe for one AI content making tip every week. We just click Save to keep our work safe and move on to the next step. Now that our homepage is ready, we need to start writing the newsletter emails that will go out every week. Just click Make Email and pick Normal. HubSpot has another newsletter design that is already made to make your life easier. Let's add a cool picture to the header. The link to the HubSpot AI Marketing Assistant is in my description, so you can use it for free right away. Now we need to write the tips and articles for the people who sign up for our email. Doesn't that sound like a lot of work? Wait, wouldn't AI be able to do this for us in less than 30 seconds? We'll ask Bard to send us an email in the style of a newsletter about a powerful AI tool for content makers. Wow, this really does sound like some good advice that I should start following. Once you're happy with how it looks again, we'll just copy this and paste it into our new email template. We're ready to go as soon as we click Save. When I go to click Send, though, I see that I still don't have any email addresses. Now we need to start getting the word out about our AI magazine. I posted this story on Instagram again. If you sign up for my email, you'll get one AI tip every week. I only got 2 new members, so this didn't work out very well. So this is where, when I was building Instagram accounts that made money, I had to get clever. I learned that using votes in Instagram stories is one of the best ways to get more people to buy something. It tells Instagram that your story is good when people interact with it. For more people to see it, Instagram videos it to the top of your story feed so that more people can see it. In light of that, I wrote this story. Do you believe AI will one day rule the world? That one did, in fact, get a lot of people talking. Do you work with AI? After 24 hours, how often do you use AI? I got 74 new email users, which was great news. I chose to keep trying new and creative ways to sell my business and to begin building my audience. You can see more of those in my next videos, so make sure you subscribe to see more. We've now done this experiment, so it's time to answer the big question. Is AI real, or is it all a scam? I believe the outcomes speak for themselves, even if it's not clear that I made $1 million. You can make money in this field with little work if you just ride the AI hype wave. But what does all this mean for you? Also, should you use AI for everything? I think that we're still kind of in this centaur part of AI right now. A centaur is simply half horse and half person, if you didn't know. And I believe the people who use this kind of connection with AI will be the biggest winners in the field. As a side note, I'd love to hear what you guys think about AI in the comments. In the creator group, where do you think this is going? Do you think we'll soon reach a certain point? If so, where? AI gets better than the people who made it. It makes me excited to read your answers below. I know that a lot of you write for different groups of people. Like I did, you could try to make a magazine for it. It does require some work and time, just like any other business. My best video of advice is to wait and keep your mind on the task at hand. Thanks for watching today, and I will meet you in next video. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.